This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the glottal T sound, as in the word button. You can also hear the sounds in words like certain, satin, cotton, or kitten. Now listen to how this word sounds with the regular T. Certain, satin, cotton, or kitten. Can you hear the difference? In American English, these words are pronounced with a glottal T. It's not a mistake to use a regular T sounds. Don't worry, you'll be perfectly understood. Still, the glottal T is typically for American English, so if you want to learn more about and perfect your pronunciation skills, keep watching. Okay, let's begin with a question. What is a glottal T sound? If you watch the stop sounds overview video, you may remember that there are 6 stop consonants in American English. Still, we're not talking about another stop sound. Yes, that's right. The glottal T is a variation of the T sound that occurs only in a certain position in a word and is pronounced in a different way. What happens is that the T sounds becomes a glottal T before a weak syllable ending with n, button, eaten, found in, held on. Why does a regular T become a glottal T? Informal speech is usually very relaxed, so it's natural to swallow or drop vowels in big syllable. But on. The last vowel could be dropped. But you still need to link the T and the N sounds. It's easier to stop the air in your throat and quickly direct it through your nose for the N. But That's essentially how the glottal T sounds works. Now let's find out how to make these sounds. We'll do it in 3 steps. Step 1. First, we'll learn to link the regular T sound and the N consonant without a vowel in between. Split the word button into 2 parts and pronounce them separately. Do it as slowly as you need. Don't rush it at the point. But Next, try a link the T and the N by reducing the pause between them. Don't remove the pause completely though, just make it shorter. But Step 2. Next, let's learn how to make our glottal T sounds. We'll start by doing a small exercise to catch or stop the air in your throat using the common American expression oh. Learning this will help you to make the glottal T in the next step. Make sure that you pause between the sounds when you see oh. You can do this by holding your breath for a moment with the muscle of your throat. Try it. Oh. Step 3. Now replace the T in the word button with a glottal T. We'll pronounce the glottal T the same way as we did with oh. Here's how you do it. First, stop and hold the air in your throat on the glottal T. Then make the N sound. Don't forget to leave a short pause between the glottal T and the N sound. If if you pronounce them too quickly, it'll sound wrong. Let's try saying the word button using the same melody as an oh. But 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 Now let's see the word more naturally. Remember, make sure the glottal T in your throat. Pause and then make the N sound. Button, button, button. Now, let's do some practice exercise and learn to pronounce these sounds in some words. You'll see a word in the screen and hear its pronunciation, like this. Button. If you find it difficult to make the glottal T sounds, try to pronounce the words by splitting them in two parts. Button. Let's begin. Button. Accountant. Bitten. Bitten. Botany. Brighten. Certain. Cotton. Curtain. Eaten. Fatten. Flatten. Forgotten. Fatten. Frighten. Gotten. Hilton. Important. Kitten. Latin. Minions. Mittens. Mutton. Mutton. Remittance. Rotten. Satin. Cement. Sweeten. Written. You're done. Congratulations.